everybody! Welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make imo-dango. I believe this is Hokkaido origin food. Hokkaido is a northern part of Japan and it is very cold at winter time. They make lots of potatoes. When I was working in Japan, I used to go out with my co-workers after work, go to izakaya, the tapas bar. And this is my favorite food at that izakaya chain, izakaya restaurant, which called Iroha Hoheto. And I believe that the name is Iroha no Imo-Dango or Iroha Imo-Dango. And I forgot about this one for a long time, but I remember recently when I was cooking something and I wanted to eat, so I made it and I will show you how to make it. It's very good and easy. You can peel potatoes beforehand, but I like this way because this is more nutritious. I forgot to put the sugar here. hope you enjoy my video today. If you like my YouTube, please thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time soon. Hi everybody. Japanese Cooking Lovers, I am Yuri. Thanks for watching.